G'day guys, welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel if you've just revisiting. This next restoration is something else. It's something that way before my time, and I'm sure you'll find it fairly interesting as to what it is or how I'm going to go about it. There's a lot of stuff in here I haven't seen before. It's before my time. So we're going to have a crack at it anyway and see if we can restore. Let's have a bit of a walkthrough on what it is and what I've got ahead of me, and we'll go from there. I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay, so there you go. It's going to be a bit of a challenge, some of it, although it could be very straightforward. Probably not as difficult as the little valve portable receiver I've just finished. But anyway, that's what we're going to attack very shortly. Now, what I'd like to ask you viewers as well is, you probably saw the lettering lifting on the dial glass. Now, it's only in certain areas. What do we do to preserve the rest of the numbers and the lettering that are left on there? Can we spray that with any sort of clear lacquer or something that will stop it going any further? I'd like your comments. Yeah, really. And I guess a lot of you guys out there would come across this problem. So anyway, if we get a chat going here online, just see what we can all find out from this one. Okay, if you want to follow it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a thumbs up if you like this sort of restoration. Okay, until very shortly, bye for now.